From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the vast plains of the Serengeti, our planet's geography is a tapestry woven with an astonishing array of landscapes. Yet today, these very landscapes face a growing threat from human activity. By understanding the challenges and embracing our role as custodians, we can ensure future generations inherit a world as magnificent as the one we know. In this video, we will explore 7 impactful ways to protect our planet's geography. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on for more insights into protecting our beautiful world. Our journey begins in the emerald embrace of Earth's forests, vast ecosystems teeming with life. These forests are home to countless species of animals, plants, and insects, each playing a unique role in maintaining the health and balance of the ecosystem. Forests are the lungs of our planet, playing a critical role in maintaining the delicate balance of our atmosphere. They cover about 31% of the land area on our planet and are essential for the survival of all living beings. Trees draw in carbon dioxide, locking away this greenhouse gas and releasing life-giving oxygen. This process not only helps to combat climate change, but also ensures that we have clean air to breathe. They are the unsung heroes in the fight against climate change, acting as vast carbon sinks. By absorbing carbon dioxide, they help to mitigate the effects of global warming and stabilize the climate. Yet these vital ecosystems are under threat. Human activities are causing unprecedented damage to these forests, putting countless species at risk and disrupting the natural balance. Deforestation, driven by the demand for timber, agriculture, and urban development, is stripping our planet bare. The loss of forests not only affects the wildlife that depends on them, but also contributes to climate change. Every minute, an area the size of 27 football fields is lost. This rapid rate of deforestation is unsustainable and poses a serious threat to our planet's health. By supporting sustainable forestry practices and reducing our consumption of paper and wood products, we can help alleviate the pressure on these ecosystems. Sustainable practices ensure that forests can regenerate and continue to provide their essential services. We can all become advocates for forests, raising awareness and supporting organizations working to protect and restore these habitats. Community efforts such as tree planting and forest cleanups can make a significant difference. Our actions, no matter how small, can contribute to the preservation of these emerald sanctuaries. By appreciating and respecting the forests, we ensure that future generations can enjoy their beauty and benefits. Our journey takes us now beneath the surface into the often overlooked world of soil, the very foundation of life on land. Soil is not just dirt. It's a living, breathing ecosystem teeming with microorganisms, insects, and organic matter. Soil is the bedrock of our agricultural systems, providing the nutrients and support for the crops that sustain us. Without healthy soil, our ability to grow food diminishes. Yet this vital resource is being eroded away at an alarming rate. Factors like deforestation, overgrazing, and improper agricultural practices accelerate this process. Imagine a field once fertile, now stripped bare by the relentless forces of wind and rain. The topsoil, rich in nutrients, is carried away, leaving behind a barren landscape. This is the stark reality of soil erosion, a silent crisis threatening our food security and the health of our planet. If left unchecked, it can lead to desertification and loss of arable land. By adopting sustainable agricultural practices, we can help protect this precious resource. Techniques like contour plowing, cover cropping, and terracing can significantly reduce soil erosion. Picture crops rotated, their diverse root systems binding the soil, preventing its loss. These methods not only protect the soil, but also enhance its fertility and biodiversity. These techniques can help us protect and regenerate our soils. Regenerative agriculture focuses on restoring soil health through organic farming, composting, and minimal tillage. By supporting sustainable farming practices and consuming food from local sources, we can all contribute to the health of our soils. Local food systems reduce the carbon footprint and promote soil conservation. Together, we can ensure that soils continue to nourish life for generations to come. Our collective efforts can create a sustainable future where soil remains a vital, thriving resource. Our journey now takes us to the lifeblood of our planet, our freshwater sources. From mighty rivers to serene lakes, freshwater is the elixir of life. Yet these precious resources are facing unprecedented threats. Pollution from industrial discharge, agricultural runoff, and untreated sewage is poisoning our rivers and lakes. Over-extraction for agriculture, industry, and domestic use is depleting aquifers and shrinking rivers. The consequences are dire, threatening the survival of millions who depend on these freshwater sources. By reducing our own water consumption and supporting policies that promote sustainable water management, we can all contribute to the protection of this resource. Imagine a future where industries adopt water-efficient technologies and agriculture embraces water-saving irrigation techniques. By working together, we can ensure that clean, safe water continues to flow for generations to come. The future of our planet depends on it. Chapter 4. The Power of Nature, Embracing Renewable Energy. In this chapter, we delve into the transformative potential of harnessing the natural elements around us to create a sustainable future. For too long, we have relied on fossil fuels, extracting them from the earth with little regard for the long-term consequences. This process releases harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change and health problems. This reliance has come at a heavy cost, not only to our atmosphere, which is now filled with smog and greenhouse gases, but also to our planet's geography, leaving scars on the landscape from mining and deforestation. But there is a better way, a way that harnesses the power of nature without depleting it. Look up and we see the boundless energy of the sun, a resource that is both abundant and renewable. Feel the persistent power of the wind, a force that has been harnessed for centuries and continues to offer immense potential, and witness the relentless force of moving water, which can be channeled to generate clean, sustainable energy. These are the sources of renewable energy, the key to powering our world without harming our planet. By embracing these technologies, we can create a future where energy is clean, abundant, and sustainable. By transitioning to renewable energy sources, we not only reduce our carbon footprint, but also improve air quality, leading to healthier communities. Protecting the health of our planet means preserving its natural beauty and biodiversity for future generations. The benefits of renewable energy extend beyond the environmental. They also include economic and social advantages. As we invest in solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, we create jobs, stimulate innovation, and drive economic growth. This transition also helps reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, making our energy supply more secure and resilient. We can all play a part by reducing our own energy consumption, adopting energy-efficient technologies, and supporting policies that promote renewable energy development. Together, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world. Chapter 5. Jewels of the Sea, Conserving Coastal and Marine Ecosystems. Our journey now takes us to the vibrant ecosystems that fringe our continents and lie beneath the surface of our oceans. These are worlds of breathtaking beauty and astonishing biodiversity. Yet these underwater treasures are under threat. Pollution from plastic waste, agricultural runoff, and industrial discharge is choking our oceans. Overfishing is decimating fish populations, disrupting food webs, and threatening livelihoods. By reducing our consumption of single-use plastics and supporting sustainable seafood practices, we can all contribute to the health of these ecosystems. Imagine a future where our oceans are teeming with life and coral reefs shimmer with vibrant colors. It is a future worth fighting for. Together, we can help create a healthier, more vibrant future for all. Chapter 6. Urban Oasis, Promoting Green Spaces in Our Cities. As cities expand, their footprint on the natural world grows, often at the expense of green spaces. Imagine a city park, a green oasis amidst the towering buildings and bustling streets. These green spaces are vital to the well-being of both people and the planet. Trees act as natural air purifiers, absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. Parks provide areas for recreation, reducing stress and improving physical and mental health. However, as cities grow, these green spaces are often sacrificed for development. But there is a growing movement to reintroduce nature into our urban landscapes. By advocating for more green spaces and supporting urban gardening initiatives, we can help create healthier, more livable urban environments. Let our cities become beacons of innovation, showcasing how nature and urban living can coexist in harmony. Chapter 7. A Shared Future, Combating Climate Change Together. Our journey culminates with a stark reality facing our planet: climate change. The very fabric of our planet's geography is being reshaped by the consequences of a warming world. The impacts of climate change are far-reaching, affecting weather patterns, disrupting ecosystems, and threatening countless species. It is a challenge that requires a global response. But amidst the urgency, there is hope. A global movement is gaining momentum, driven by the understanding that our actions today will determine the fate of our planet tomorrow. Governments are implementing policies to transition to clean energy, businesses are investing in sustainable practices, and individuals are making changes to reduce their carbon footprint. By embracing sustainable practices and supporting policies that combat climate change, we can all contribute to a healthier, more resilient planet. This is a call to action for us here and now. Outro our planet, our responsibility. As our journey through the diverse landscapes of our planet comes to a close, we are left with a profound sense of both the beauty and the fragility of the world we inhabit. Protecting the planet's geography is not merely an act of conservation, it is an act of self-preservation. By embracing sustainable practices and inspiring others to join us, we can ensure that future generations inherit a world as magnificent as the one we know. Which of these ways will you start implementing today? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned to Global Fact Trends for more ways to make a positive impact.